What I'm using for this video is this. I already showed you guys this, this, but this stuff is the best thing ever to forget rid of mistakes and stuff. Just make sure you shake it, and yeah, look at my hands. Don't spill that shit in your fingers. Yeah, it's fucked. Because of Johnny Bravo, I'm using yellow paint, Angus, the best brand, and blue, black, and white and brown for the skin tone. A lot of white, a little bit of brown. This is just a water bottle cut in half for mixing. You see that? And oh shit, this brush is not really good. I had to run out and get this brush. So basically, you got the picture here, and the color is going. The yellow, focus, please focus. Whatever, the yellow, the brown, the blue, the white, and the black. We're gonna mix these two. Shit. And then, yeah. Got the shoes. Something's missing. My bad, yo. That was Ozark, yo. Amazing TV show. I'm on season 1 right now. Let's get it. I'm gonna save the skin tone for last. Let's zoom in. We're gonna start with the hair right here first. Shake that shit. This is why I like this paint right. What the oh my gosh. Yeah. This right. Got the water cup. Just a little. Oh, I was using the old brush. I missed this brush so much. My hand all the way up in there. Focus, please. Just like this. My light finally came on. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do the t-shirt right here. So we got just a little bit of black. We'll start off small, just to test the brush, so I can cover up mistakes in case. All that things on the inside, I'll clean it up. You know, it's just to get the paint on for now. Then I go back and touch it up again. All that, ugh, I hate when that shit, but you know what? It's on it still. I did the name and I got an idea. I'm allowed a t-shirt for now because I messed up by doing the name in black over the t-shirt. This name shouldn't have been black. This name is in pink, I think, or something like that. Now I'm gonna have to like go back. I'm probably gonna erase it and go back. You know, but I'm gonna let this dry and cool for a little bit and switch to the other side. I gotta fix this name right here. You know what I'm saying? It's something light. It won't take me long. Yeah, this is already coming off and shit. This is perfect still, you know? It's all good. I'm gonna work on this right here. This piece right here. Now I'm gonna work on this piece right here, the middle shirt. Donnie always wearing a black shirt, man. Every episode he never takes it off. I always hitting on every girl on the block, bro. Oh my god. But you know what? I dig it, bro. He gets shut down, but he never stops. He never does. I think I got too much paint on this side, but as long as I keep it steady, it will dry up. Because I'm going to add more paint anyway. This is just to get the, you know, the first touch up. So I can go back again and paint freely without, like, hesitating. The first paint on the shoes always is like, that's always what it feels like, you know? Just like that. Just like that. I did it off camera because it was giving me a little trouble, but just like that. Alright. See the paint? I'll touch it up still. Now I'm gonna do the hair. I can't really get in there with the paintbrush and stuff, but I can use, where is it? I don't know where it's at, but I got a little brush and a little pen brush I can use and get in for the little tiny face features like that. Yeah, alright, we're gonna do the hair now. Oh. Note to self, when you like working with like anything paint wise, you're about to touch the paint, check your hands first. Just give it a quick check, because they're like always wiping on your clothes, because there always might be wet paint on your hands, you know? Like you might like have wet black paint, or you're gonna touch something, you got black paint right there. Now the whole shoes might be ruined, you know? I did it a few times and that shit's annoying. So I always do that. I'm gonna try my best to go in the corners, but if I go over it, it don't really matter. I can fix it after all, you know? Oh, okay, it runs. Maybe I gotta go. Maybe I gotta go in the side still. Just a little bit of paint. Just like that much, a little bit. Just like that. Again, with the paint, you don't have to be perfect, because you have to go, like, look at that. You have to go over it a second or even a third time, you know? And then after the second or the third time, you look at the little tiny things, you go at it with a different brush or a different thing and fix the little details, and you know? Yeah, just like that. Just like that. The skin tone for everything, I'm gonna save that for last. I'm gonna just do everything and save the skin for last. Cause I gotta mix like the right, you know? I gotta just, that part's annoying. You gotta mix it and test it and then test it with the camera and the picture and stuff. Just like this, you gotta test it. And it's really annoying. You know what? No, I'm gonna do this side first. Probably a little too much. It's cool, it's cool. You don't have to do this, but my preference at the very end, I use a Sharpie. I'll just show y'all. I'm speaking too much. Just like that. I'm gonna do this Hey Mama, but I'm not gonna use a brush. Well, let's use the brush. Yeah. A little too much water. Now it's a little too much paint. Ain't that crazy? It's fine. I'll go over it again. Fuck. The best rule for this, always save your paint. I always use every bit of your paint because everything, you know? Just like that. Now you let it dry, you go over it again. I'm gonna do this Hey Mama, like, look at that. I think his glasses are dark too, so I'm gonna go over that in black. Just like that. I'll fix the rest with a Sharpie. Yeah. This part is where the struggle is at. It's a lot of just dabbing. Dabbing. Like the Migos said, look at my dab. Look at my... This part is annoying. You just gotta dab the whole thing. And just watch out for the red. But again, it don't matter. It doesn't really matter. Be as careful as you can. Less mistakes, less stuff you gotta cover. But I'm gonna go over the red and the black again. Maybe even off camera. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, but what I mean by be careful, don't just willingly say, okay, I'm gonna go over it. No. Colors mix, and when they mix, they turn ugly. So you gotta be careful, especially this end right here. I'm gonna have to like use that white thing and erase that whole thing and make a whole bright new. Colors mix, and when they mix, sometimes like black and red makes an ugly, mushy color. You know what? I'm gonna save the rest. I'm gonna use to save the rest for either a Sharpie or the little brush tool. I'm gonna do this side, and then I'm gonna mix the colors. I always check your hands, bro. I'm gonna do the t-shirts, the two t-shirts. Well, let me see something. I might need some more tape, just in case. Yeah, I'm saving the skin for us. Cause I kind of messed up over here. I'm not trying to do it again. The best part about like customizing your own shoes, I'm not really selling these. You know, I'll sell them to my family for really cheap or something. But it's just for fun, you know. So if you mess up or it's kind of ugly looking, that's the best part. It's yours, you know. Especially the hair. All the way here, I'm gonna have to use something else. Everything like from. I'll show you guys. I almost put the blue in the black. Look at that. Check your hands. Just like that.